Human versus AI in music, an in-depth exploration. Music, an art form deeply rooted in human culture, has evolved alongside technological advancements. Today, artificial intelligence (AI) plays a significant role in music creation and production, raising questions about the comparative capabilities of AI and human musicians. This comprehensive analysis explores how AI and humans differ in their musical abilities and the unique qualities each brings to the art of music. 1. AI can play with speed, but humans imagine melodies. AI's ability to process large amounts of data quickly allows it to perform complex musical pieces with precision and speed that humans cannot match. This computational power enables AI to analyze patterns and generate music that adheres to the technical aspects of composition. For example, AI algorithms can produce intricate sequences of notes at rapid speeds, ensuring flawless execution without the physical limitations that human musicians face. However, the true essence of music lies in creativity and emotional expression, areas where humans excel. Human composers and musicians draw from personal experiences, emotions, and cultural contexts to create melodies that resonate deeply with listeners. The human imagination is boundless, allowing for the invention of new musical ideas and the exploration of innovative sounds. While AI can mimic styles and patterns, it lacks the intrinsic creativity and emotional depth that humans bring to music making. This imaginative capability is what enables humans to craft original and emotionally compelling melodies that can move audiences in profound ways. 2. AI can mix all scales, while humans mix only needed ingredients. AI's ability to mix musical scales in innovative ways stems from its capacity to process and analyze vast datasets. By examining countless examples of music, AI can generate combinations of scales and harmonies that may not naturally occur to human composers. This capability can lead to the creation of novel musical pieces that push the boundaries of traditional music theory. AI can experiment with different scale combinations, producing technically correct but often unexpected results. In contrast, human musicians tend to mix scales and harmonies based on the emotional and cultural context of their music. This selective approach ensures that each musical ingredient serves a specific purpose, contributing to the overall coherence and expressiveness of the piece. Humans use their intuitive understanding of music to blend scales in ways that evoke particular emotions or convey specific messages. This deliberate and purposeful mixing results in music that feels more organic and emotionally resonant. For instance, a human composer might choose to blend a minor scale with a major scale to create a sense of melancholy tinged with hope. This nuanced approach allows for a richer and more meaningful musical experience, one that AI, with its more mechanical processes, struggles to replicate.
3. AI can play only devil music. Humans can play both. The term devil music in this context refers to music that is technically complex, but lacks emotional depth. AI excels at producing such music, focusing on the precision and complexity of musical structures. AI-generated music can be technically impressive, showcasing intricate patterns and flawless execution. This type of music, while intellectually stimulating, often lacks the emotional and spiritual qualities that make human music deeply affecting. Humans, on the other hand, can create music that spans the entire emotional spectrum, from joyous symphonies that celebrate life to melancholic ballads that express deep sorrow. Human musicians infuse their work with a wide range of feelings and stories. This emotional depth is a result of the human experience, our joys, sorrows, triumphs, and struggles, all of which find expression in the music we create. Moreover, human musicians can adapt their playing to the emotional needs of a piece, infusing their performances with subtle nuances and expressions that convey a rich tapestry of emotions. This ability to connect with listeners on an emotional level is something that AI, despite its technical prowess, cannot achieve to the same extent. Music that truly resonates with audiences often carries a piece of the musician's soul, a quality that AI-generated music lacks.
4. AI can play typical moods. Humans play with feelings and other sentiments. AI can be programmed to produce music that aligns with certain moods, such as happy, sad, energetic, or calm. These outputs are based on patterns and algorithms derived from analyzing existing music. AI systems use statistical models to generate music that fits within predefined emotional categories. This ability allows AI to create background music for various applications such as movies, video games, and commercials where specific moods are required. However, human musicians play with a broader and deeper range of sentiments. A human performance is influenced by the musician's personal feelings, experiences, and the immediate interaction with the audience. This dynamic and emotionally rich musical experience cannot be fully replicated by AI. Human musicians bring their individuality and emotional complexity to their performances, resulting in music that feels alive and deeply connected to the human condition. For example, a human pianist might interpret a piece differently based on their emotional state, adding subtle variations in tempo, dynamics, and phrasing that reflect their feelings at the moment. This spontaneity and emotional depth create a unique and compelling musical experience that resonates with listeners on a profound level. 5. AI can use only 1.6% of musical notes and their functionality. Humans use 3% out of 100%. The complexity and potential of musical notes and their combinations are vast. AI, constrained by its programming and the data it has been fed, can utilize a limited subset of musical notes and their functionalities. This limitation means that AI's musical output, while technically proficient, often lacks the richness and variety that human musicians can achieve. Humans, with their intuitive understanding and creative freedom, can explore and exploit a broader range of musical possibilities. This exploration leads to more diverse and intricate compositions. Human musicians can experiment with unconventional scales, microtones, and complex rhythms, pushing the boundaries of traditional music theory. For instance, jazz musicians often use blue notes and complex chord progressions to create a distinctive sound that is rich in emotional nuance and harmonic complexity. This creative freedom allows human musicians to produce music that is not only technically proficient but also emotionally and intellectually engaging. The ability to harness a broader spectrum of musical possibilities enables humans to craft compositions that are unique and deeply expressive. 6. Music aspects of music can create compositions that facilitate this yogic experience. They can infuse their music with intentions and energies that resonate with the spiritual practices of yoga. This spiritual dimension of music making is beyond the capabilities of AI, which operates purely on data and algorithms without the capacity for spiritual insight. 7. AI cannot listen and take its effect. Humans can do yoga just by listening to yogic music. Listening to music, especially yogic music, can have profound effects on humans. It can calm the mind, energize the body, and elevate the spirit. This receptive experience is inherently human. While AI can analyze music and produce it, it cannot listen in the same way humans do. AI lacks the sensory and emotional faculties to experience music and its effects. Humans, on the other hand, can engage with music on multiple levels. They can listen, feel, and be affected by music in ways that promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The practice of yoga with music enhances the experience as the sounds facilitate deeper meditation and relaxation. The ability to listen and be transformed by music is a uniquely human experience, one that AI cannot replicate. For example, during a yoga session, a practitioner might listen to soothing music that helps them focus their mind and relax their body. The music serves as a conduit for achieving a state of mindfulness and inner peace. This interaction with music is a deeply personal and transformative experience that highlights the unique connection humans have with music. Conclusion: the comparison between AI and human musicians reveals a complex interplay of strengths and limitations. AI brings remarkable speed, precision, and innovative possibilities to music creation, offering new tools and techniques that can enhance the musical landscape. However, AI lacks the emotional depth, creativity, and spiritual connection that humans bring to music. Music, at its core, is an expression of the human soul, a medium through which we convey our deepest emotions and experiences. Human musicians infuse their work with a richness and complexity that AI cannot fully replicate. The ability to imagine melodies, mix musical ingredients with intention, play with a broad range of emotions, and connect with listeners on a spiritual level are qualities that make human music unique and irreplaceable. As we continue to explore the potential of AI in music, it is essential to recognize and celebrate the irreplaceable qualities that human musicians bring to this timeless art form. The future of music will likely be a collaborative landscape where AI tools enhance human creativity, allowing musicians to push the boundaries of what is possible while retaining the soul and essence that make music a truly human endeavor.